Welcome back. If you want a spotless home without expensive detailing, a powerful cordless vacuum cleaner is your secret weapon. But with so many options, how do you find the right one? Let's break it down. A cordless vacuum with 40 to 60 minutes of battery life offers flexibility, while a corded option with strong suction is perfect for deep cleaning. HEPA or sealed filtration is worth it if you have allergies or pets. The motor bar cleaner head and hair screw tool quietly take the frustration out of pet hair and long strands, keeping your home and car effortlessly clean without constant maintenance. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best cordless vacuum cleaners for home. Whether you want quick touch-ups or deep cleaning, we'll help you find the perfect cordless vacuum for your home.
Number 1.
The Dyson V11 Origin Cordless Vacuum, engineered to deliver power, intelligence, and total freedom in one premium solution. Designed to give you power, intelligence, and complete freedom, its 185 airwatts of suction and 60% increased power reach deep into carpets and glide smoothly across hard floors, lifting dirt you can't see but always feel. With 3 intelligent power modes, it adapts to your life. Balancing performance for everyday messes, extending run time when you need to clean longer, and delivering instant intensity for stubborn spots. The motor bar cleaner head and hair screw tool quietly take the frustration out of pet hair and long strands, keeping your home and car effortlessly clean without constant maintenance. An intuitive LCD screen keeps you informed with real-time runtime, power mode, and maintenance alerts, reinforcing Dyson's commitment to smart design and user confidence. With whole machine HEPA level filtration trapping 99.99% of microscopic particles, a lightweight yet durable build, and seamless conversion to a handheld vacuum, the Dyson V11 Origin transforms daily cleaning into a high-performance, effortless experience. Backed by Dyson's 2-year warranty, lifetime support, and a compelling promise of cleaner air and cleaner living.
Number 2.
Meet the LEVOIT LEVOIT 200 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, designed to make everyday cleaning easier, faster, and stress-free. With powerful suction and a tangle-resistant roller, it effortlessly lifts pet hair, dust, and debris without the frustration of clogged brushes. Enjoy up to 50 minutes of cordless freedom, letting you clean floors, carpets, furniture, and even your car in one smooth session. Lightweight yet powerful, this vacuum is easy to grab for quick cleanups and comfortable enough for longer use. The one-click empty dustbin, washable filters, and easy-to-clean roller keep maintenance simple, while the 5-stage filtration system helps capture allergens, pet dander, and fine dust, creating a cleaner, healthier home for you and your family. From hard floors to low-pile carpets, from pet messes to daily dust, the LEVOIT 200 isn't just a vacuum, it's peace of mind in every clean.
Number 3.
The Shark Pet Cordless Essential Vacuum Cleaner is designed with one mission in mind, to give pet owners an easier, faster, and more confident way to keep their homes clean. Powered by hypervelocity suction, it delivers impressive performance on everyday messes in high-traffic areas while remaining lightweight and comfortably cordless. The vacuum seamlessly converts into a removable handheld, making it just as effective on sofas, stairs, and tight corners as it is on carpets and hard floors. Bright LED headlights uncover hidden pet hair and dust, ensuring nothing is left behind, while the HEPA and foam filtration system helps capture allergens for a fresher indoor environment. With up to 40 minutes of runtime, 2 power levels, an XL Easy empty dust cup, and thoughtful touches like low-profile cleaning under furniture and freestanding storage, the 9141 balances power, convenience, and value. Offering 2 power levels for flexible cleaning and a compact 34-quart dust capacity, this vacuum delivers strong performance, quiet operation, and reliable versatility for everyday indoor cleaning.
Number 4.
The KARDV Cordless Vacuum Cleaner isn't just about cleaning, it's about giving you back time, comfort, and peace of mind. With up to 500 watts of motor power and an impressive 40 kilopascals of suction, it effortlessly lifts dust, debris, and stubborn pet hair from carpets, hardwood floors, and tiles, turning deep cleaning into a quick, satisfying task. The 60-minute runtime means fewer interruptions and more freedom to clean your entire space in one go, while the V-shaped anti-tangle roller brush and green LED lights reveal and remove the dirt you didn't even know was there, especially under furniture and along edges. The intuitive smart LED display puts full control at your fingertips, showing real-time battery status, suction modes, and maintenance alerts for a more confident, informed cleaning experience. Designed with families in mind, the advanced multi-layer filtration system releases cleaner air back into your home, making it ideal for households with kids and pets. Finished with an 8-in-1 lightweight handheld design, a large 1.5 liters one-touch dust cup, and wall-mounted charging, the KARDV vacuum becomes more than a tool, it becomes a reliable partner in creating a cleaner, healthier, and more comfortable home every single day.
Number 5.
The Shark PowerPro Reveal Plus Cordless Vacuum, IZ376H, is built for those moments when you want more than a quick clean, you want the confidence that your home is truly cared for. Powered by hypervelocity suction, it delivers impressive cleaning strength and a sleek, cordless design that's ready for everyday messes and full home deep cleans alike. Dirt Reveal technology exposes hidden dust you didn't know was there, while Floor Detect technology automatically adapts to carpets and hard floors, removing the need for guesswork and letting you focus on what matters. For pet owners, the self-cleaning, no hair wrap brush roll means powerful pickup without constant maintenance. Paired with a HEPA filter and anti-allergen complete seal, it captures over 99.97% of dust and allergens, helping create a cleaner, healthier home. With up to 40 minutes of runtime, bright LED headlights, and easy conversion to a handheld vacuum with essential tools included, the PowerPro Reveal Plus becomes more than a vacuum, it becomes a reassuring promise that nothing important is missed, and every clean leaves your home feeling calm, comfortable, and complete. In conclusion, whether you're tackling daily dust, stubborn pet hair, or deep home messes, these top cordless vacuum cleaners bring the power and convenience every household needs. The Dyson V11 stands out for its exceptional suction and smart cleaning features, while the LEVOIT Cordless offers a balanced blend of performance and value. Shark's Pet and PowerPro Reveal Plus cordless vacuums are both excellent choices specifically for homes with pets, combining strong pickup with user-friendly designs. And the KARDV cordless vacuum proves that powerful cleaning doesn't have to come with a premium price tag. No matter your priority, pet hair, battery life, or everyday convenience, there's a model here to keep your home spotless and your cleaning routine effortless. Let us know which one you're most excited to try.